For the next 24 hours we are going to be staying at the Dolphin Resort. We'll give you a little room tour in a minute when we get inside. Aww. So this is the room, and we've managed to get checked in well before his check-in time. His check-in time was 4 o'clock. It's not even 12 o'clock yet, so his room's ready. 2 double beds. One for me, one for her. Nice little table stand. There's one USB there to plug in. Telephone on it, pad, seating area. Who really sits in them? Probably nobody. You just dump your stuff on. Bibble. The Book of Mormon. They got a Bibble and a Book of Mormon.
Cool.
Bit of light reading for tonight. Nothing. Nice big television on to watch. A couple of bottles of water, coffee making. Nothing for tea though. My God, it's hideous! Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Nice big sink. Hairdryer, towels, some body lotion. Let's get it on. Poo pan. Shower with adjustable head. Small bathtub. Willow would fit in there fine. It's a bit small, isn't it? Like old school, sitting in one of the metal tubs. But we only take showers anyway. Together. Yeah. Woo. Where about my sunglasses? Yeah, I'm sure there'll be Wi-Fi somewhere. And we have got a resort view, so let's quickly show you that. So that's obviously the Swan, little boat going past. That'll take you to the parks, bring you back here, Hollywood Studios, and it'll probably take you to Epcot as well. I believe that is the boardwalk in the background, just over there. And you can walk from here to the boardwalk, through the boardwalk into Epcot, going that way. And if you want to go that way, it's Hollywood Studios. But you'd be better off getting one of those transportation boats that is just docking over there. I don't know if you can see it. You'd be better off getting one of them. So that's pretty much it. And there is, inside here, Jules, there's an ironing board.
Oh, cool.
And a safe. And some hangers to hang yourself. There's also a little fridge inside there. So if you want to buy anything from a local supermarket, something that's small enough to fit inside there, there's no freezer compartment in it, it's just a fridge to keep things cool. So if you want to buy some pre-made sandwiches, anything like that that you want to put in there, you'll be done. And we are only staying here for 24 hours, so we're staying for one night in the Dolphin Resort, and I paid for it through Virgin, because with Virgin you got the self-parking and all the other resort fees are included in the price, whereas BA and some other holiday companies you don't, you have to pay when you get on site. So everything was included, and I managed to get 40% off the price for the night, and I'm going to tell you later on how I did that, so stick around. Aww.